It's the end of the year, the holidays are around the corner, and this means two things. First of all, we have made new Nürburgring sweaters, the traditional ones and also very exclusive merino wool ones. Go to nürburgring.com, enter Misha Christmas 25 code to get additional 10% discounts on all the products, the sweaters, the books, the socks. What else do we have? Some more will be added actually soon. We're going to be having calendars. But for that, subscribe, stay tuned, and most importantly, enjoy the content. My favorite, well, one of my favorite brands and guys and cars are here because the cars they make actually work and quite nicely. So the previous car I've done was a i20N, right?
Yes.
Was there another one that I've done? No. I've done drag racing with 570S like 10 years ago. Yeah, so there was that. And now you brought me Golf 8 GTI. Facelift, oh, actually, yeah, also important to say, that has now the front-wheel driven car lap record on...
We can't say that yet.
We cannot say that, but we don't know when this is going to go out.
It has a front-wheel drive.
Yeah, record.
On a certain track.
On a certain track by certain people.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, the car is, aside from the obvious race chip, in a second we'll tell you more about it, it's on Cup 2Rs, which were very cold and wet earlier today. It's now dried out, obviously, but before it was... good for a short vertical content piece that's going to get a lot of views because it was spicy, yeah, with the wall this close. Yeah. Anyway, Golf 8, traditionally just below 300 horsepower, I think.
265.
Yes. And
265 horsepower now with just the chip. It's 340.
Nice.
Some bolt-ons, a couple of horsepower more, roughly 480 Newton meters.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, as you said, Cup 2Rs, Club Sport, front brakes.
How do I open this? Oh, there we go. And lots of
The
carbon.
very important hydraulic strut.
Oh yeah, yeah. Very, very good.
A lot of carbon from our partners from Forge and
Yeah.
HE
very good.
Motorsport,
intercooler and intake.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
and then of course your stuff.
Yeah, our small box.
Yeah.
That's
What does it do?
enough. We adjust the signals from the turbo,
Uh-huh.
and we basically tell the ECU that you have not enough boost, and it generates more boost, and we have more power.
Nice.
It's very simple and effective.
Yeah.
And we say it's simple, but with modern cars, with the new ECUs that are all locked and with their own digital language, it's actually a lot more complex. And we're one of the very few companies in the world, there's less than 3 in the world, that can do the facelift models, for example.
Nice.
Because the ECU is locked, and
Exactly, it's locked.
we only have the piggyback.
Or you can say modern problems require modern solutions.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
this is very, very nice. Aside from that, I think underneath here we could see like some suspension.
KW V4.
Club Sport.
We updated to the Club Sport brakes to be a little bit more track focused.
Yeah. What pads?
Package, street pads.
Yeah. Street Plus.
It had to be street legal because it's a company car, so we couldn't get any more aggressive.
Yeah.
But
overall, it was very nice. Yeah. It was very, very, very good. Yeah. Again, we're on Cup 2Rs. Yeah, maybe.
With the Miltec exhaust.
Oh yeah, we can do that. As mentioned, we're on Cup 2R tires, which is usually fantastic, but in a warmer day. I'm wearing a t-shirt because I just got out from a very adrenalinized lap, and therefore I'm still like feeling warm. But yeah, shooting the intro of this. All right, so. A bit of rumble.
Still the soft limiter, but you get the idea.
Yeah, of course. That's quite good. I like the livery. It's something different.
Yeah, we call it bubblegum Golf.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. I guess you'll be at SM Motor Show?
Yeah. Yes, with Miltec together.
Nice. Very cool.
And for this event,
yeah,
can you sign the car?
Yeah, of course.
Approved by Misha.
Oh yeah, of course. I would happily do that. While I'm signing the car, thank you very much for watching, and you guys go check out SM Motor Show at Miltec stand to see more of the Golf, ask more questions, and now enjoy the lap. And I guess if you're going to SM Motor Show, find the car, find the signature. I'm not going to show you where it is, and I don't know, tag me in it, I will probably reshare it. Bye bye. Alrighty, first warm up lap with, I guess he wants to get off the track. Warm-up lap with the Golf. Checking the track conditions. So this may not even make it into the video. Unless we see something exciting. Spicy. Cold cup too, so maybe we need to take it easy. Come on. No, it's also GTI. Why did traction control activate itself? Turn on DC here, or turn it off actually. Well, that's a big oil spill here. Not a big fan of overtaking, but I don't know how the track is ahead of us. I guess we'll just trust it. public service announcements. If you're on the straight and you're being overtaken, never go on the brakes, because the reason the car is faster behind you, it's already faster. You don't need to help it to be faster. And if you want to go on the brakes or make an easier overtake, turn on the indicator to the right, move over to the right, and let them pass. But if you decide to go on the brake, then do it once you're off the line. Like this guy. Like this guy. And this guy. Someone had an oopsie here. Drop the pressures.